So I found an old video from earlier this year where I put the GoPro outside on the rear bumper of my car. I was just cruising around with my buddy Ernie in his WRX, and his car puts down just over 300 wheel horsepower and over 330 wheel torque. Now, I have some other videos of his car, which I'll link up here in a playlist and as well as below. This was back when I was still in the Eurocompulsion Phase 1 tune, and his car was much quicker than mine. So we were just kind of playing around a little bit, playing a little cat and mouse. I was letting him drive by me to see if I could pick up some sounds of his car as a flyby, and then me catching up. You'll be able to hear my exhaust, obviously, as well. I'll have some more videos of both his car and mine and his in the near future, hopefully before he goes E85 or some sort of flex fuel blend, because I know he wants to do that. Right now, it's pretty close. Pretty soon I'll be putting on a bigger turbo. We should be really close at that point. So if you want to see more on that, be sure to subscribe. Thanks, and enjoy the sounds.